One of the key goals when you want to build performant applications, or in general when you want to improve something, you have to take measurements. And those measurements help you to understand how well you actually perform or how badly you perform. And as well, you can see how you optimize over time. Now, one of those measurements can be the so-called performance budgets. Luckily, the Angular CLI has a way to specify budgets during the build time. For instance, if we go to our app here, which is a simple application which we have, and we go to that Angular JSON, we can go to our main application, which in this case here is our ng-perf. We scroll down, we go basically to the configuration, and we're actually interested here in that production section. What we want to do here is to specify so-called budgets. And budgets allow us to specify various sizes we don't want to exceed. For instance, let's take a look here. First of all, we specify here the type. Now this is a JSON file, so we have to respect that kind of syntax. And what we want to do here is the type bundle. So we want to address a specific bundle of our application. The name of that bundle is the main bundle. That's basically the one that contains the main application parts. And then we can specify here different kind of thresholds. For instance, we can say a maximum warning. Let's give it here 350 kilobytes, just as an example. And then the maximum error. And here, let's say 500 kilobytes. Now, what this does is basically whenever we exceed this kind of threshold, it will give us a warning during the compilation. While this here will actually make our build fail. And this is extremely important, especially if you have a continuous integration environment. Now let's give this a try. Let's save this. Let's run ng build --prod for the production build. All right, so once the second build also finishes, you can already see here that we get a warning here. Warning in budgets, maximum exceeded for main, which we specified before, and that budget was specified to be 350 kilobytes and was exceeded by 72 kilobytes. And so you can already see that warning. You can now already take action or for now ignore it. Now let's artificially increase that size to get also the maximum error, which we specified. So what I do, I open up the app component, and you can see here at the very top, we have some import from RxJS. And now these are already optimized. However, if we import an internal package here, so from internal operators rather than direct operators, as you should actually do, we will artificially increase that bundle size of our application. So let's redo that build. All right, and once the build finishes, you can now see that we get the warning, but you also get the error, which actually makes our build fail because we exceeded our 500 kilobyte budget, which we have specified by 44 kilobytes. And that's actually exactly this main bundle, which we have specified before. Now, what we configured here is actually the main bundle. But if you take a look here at this budgets definition, you have various types what you can specify. For instance, all or script, any script bundle, or the initial size. Now, if you want to know more, you can go to the main Angular IO documentation and go to that build section where there's an entire section on how to configure size budgets, as we just did. And furthermore, further down here, there is exact definition what the bundle means, what initial means, what all script, etc.